Okay. Nanas yung tapa, nanas.
He jumped on the boat! Oh my gosh! That's a nice makeup! He sure did!
How you gonna do it? He's a winner. I mean, I don't know where. Just let him die right there.
He's gonna break the thing. Holy.
All right, put it on there. Yeah, get it till just get the. Dave, run up and get the.
What do we need?
Get the
Double
what do
braided
you call
nylon.
line. Get the
Double
big
braided
black line
nylon.
on the thing, quick.
Yeah, quick. Can somebody go run? That's a pretty nice fish.
Damn good winner videos. We're gonna be famous. We're releasing the 100-pound mako that landed on top of my boat and got stuck in my reel.
So we're gonna try to release
So,
it.
oh, well, fucking unbelievable. He went up, next thing you know, boom! All right, Don's gonna cut. There he goes.
Bye bye.
He gone. We just released a gorgeous mako.
That's crazy.